What's going on, YouTube? Welcome to the Retro Reps review channel. This is not a rep, but this is a great sneaker that I just added to the collection. This is the Jordan 1 Baron, and it is a really pretty good sneaker. I didn't think it was worth $140 though, $150 with tax. So when it went on sale, and I picked it up for about $100 total off of the Nike app, I thought that it was time to just pick it up because this is a really solid sneaker that goes with so many outfits because really neutral with the gray, black, and the white. And so I just wanted to give a quick review, especially since the holidays are on us. Everyone's a little bit tight in the budget at the moment. And so when you take a look at what's out there, what type of sneakers are out there and on sale, this is a really good one. So I'm going to just move it up to the side camera, take a look. You can see that the swoosh is black, and this is just your basic Jordan leather. You can see the front of the sneaker is not really anything spectacular from a leather quality perspective, but it's not bad. It's okay. The interior of the shoe is just your basic sort of Jordan 1 with the black swoosh, the white, and then the gray. And then this is an embossed logo. It's not stitched, so it's not the highest quality of the Jordan 1s that come out. And then I'm just going to do a close-up on this other camera. Sometimes one camera can zoom in a little bit better than the other, so I like to just give you a look at both. As you can see on the toe box, just a normal toe box. There's no blemishes, so this is decent quality. Not the best quality leather. That's the interior of the shoe, so I'm going to give you a nice zoom in. And there is the Jordan logo embossed on the back. Again, not the highest quality, but, not bad. I prefer the embroidered, and then you can see that the Nike Air tag is just sort of white and gray. So I'll throw it back down. This comes obviously with the black laces. I think it looks really nice. You could probably use white laces as well. I'll do another 360 on here. Let me know what you think about this sneaker. Do you think it's worth it if you can pay about $100 for it? If so, let me know if you're going to pick it up. And then do me a favor, subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and I will catch you at the next episode. But I do want to just leave this sneaker with a one last sort of close in, so you can get a close up of the sneaker and all of the detail. You can see it's really nice quality, and I will catch you at the next episode.